So the local college had some hay left over from their fall festival they were going to be throwing out. I snagged it up and got it for mulch. Mulch ahead of time if you're going to use hay, or chop it up first. It was very hard to push down in between the plants, and so I'm kind of like working it down and working the plants back up a little bit each day. But I have this new idea that came to me that has made this so much easier. Now the hay is chopped up nicely, and look, it just goes right in between the plants. No problem, doesn't bury them. And I'll show you how I did it. Okay, so this is the hay we're working with. It's a nice tight bale. So what I'm doing is grabbing it, fluffing it up in the yard, just a little bit so there's no tight lumps. So we're just going to put the bag onto the lawnmower and vacuum up the hay. Suck up all the hay. And what we're left with is this beautiful cut up hay that is just going to go down on these plants so nicely. And then literally just give them a little dusting. You can see the larger hay that just doesn't want to go down. But this cut hay, it just goes right off the plants, right back to what you need, and it's well mulched. You see, we just grab a piece, just patch in this little hole, push your plants out, and that's mulching them in nicely. We'll come down here, and we got some new plants from Kiki, some celery and collards, a little Violetta Italia, cauliflower, but you can see how nice it lays here. And then we go over here. And this unchopped up hay just looks horrible. And then transition into this nice mulched area. So break out the lawnmower, pour the hay in the yard, run it over, chop it up, vacuum it up all at once, and you have much more prepared hay to use as mulch.